Welcome to Simply GIS. GIS for everyone.
Hello everyone, welcome to Simply GIS YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to clip multiple bands of satellite data in one go in QGIS software. You know, satellite data products like Landsat, Sentinel, they have separate bands for separate EM spectrum. For example, in Landsat 8, as you can see here, band 2 is for blue spectrum, band 3 is for green spectrum, band 4 is for red spectrum, band 5 is for near infrared channel, and band 6 is for shortwave infrared channel. As you can see, my study area is falling within this style of these bands. You can see there are a lot of different bands. So we need to clip these bands according to our area of interest for further processing like creating true color composite, false color composite, and other processes. Clipping them individually would take much time, so I will show you how to clip them together in QGIS. For that reason, go to raster, and in raster extraction you can see clip raster by mask layer. I'm clicking on it, and when you find that clip raster by mask layer, this option allows you to clip only one band, either 2, 3, 4, whatever you select. But you can see there is an option called run as batch process at the bottom of this window. Click on this, and here we can put all the bands together and clip accordingly. So I have 5 bands here in my window, and you can see band 2 is already loaded here. I will load other 4 bands here. For that, go to this green color plus sign. I'm clicking on it. So one another row is ready, another row, another row, and another row. So I have added 5 row, and you can see all the rows have B2 loaded. But I have band 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also. So from this drop down, you can select separate bands as I can see band 2, band 3, band 4, and in this drop down band 5, and this drop down band 6. Now when I have selected all the 5 layers, now there is an option called mask layer. In this mask layer, you can see my area of interest is visible here. I'm selecting it, and I can individually select for all. Otherwise, from auto fill you can click on fill down, and it will select all for all the rows. Then if you want to change the projection, you can do set the projection here. But I don't want to change the projection, I just want to clip according to my area of study. So I have set the bands, and my area of study mask layer is also set. Now at the end of this row you can see clipped mask. This is the save option where you want to save the clip mask. So for that reason, I will go to the destination folder where I want to save these clipped bands. So I'm clicking on it. Then in Simply GIS indices, I'm writing Udaipur band 2. Save. Okay. So you can see here it I have set the destination folder and the name also. After that, you can click on this autofill and fill down. So you can see it has autofill, but you need to make some correction here also. Otherwise, the you can see the name of are same. Udaipur band 2, Udaipur band 2, Udaipur band 2. You have to rename them. Udaipur band 3. I'm clicking here. Delete 3. I have written band 3, and in this band 4, and in the next row band 5, and in the next row band 6. I will verify this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means I have named them correctly. So when these three main parameters are set, I want to load the clipped layer in this panel, layer panel. So you can check here, load layers on completion. If you click it, the clipped layer will automatically load here. If it is unticked, the clipped layer will be saved here, but they will not come on the layer panel. So I am checking it. Now run. You can see each bands are being clipped according to my area of study. In this way, you can clip multiple bands together for your area of study and use them for further processing like creating band composites, true color composite, false color composites. I have a separate video on how to create true color and false color composite in QGIS. You can check that. If you like the demonstration, you can support us by liking the video, sharing it with people who are working with GIS, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Simply GIS is offering 6 months course on basic of remote sensing and GIS. You can visit our website simplygis.in and check details about the course. It is a 6-month course. The classes will be held online on Saturday and Sunday. The time is flexible. Here is the registration form. You can click and register yourself. This is the detailed course structure. For more videos on remote sensing and GIS and tutorials of QGIS and ArcMap, please subscribe our channel Simply GIS and also click on the notification icon. There are playlists on QGIS and ArcMap. You can check them.